Good Vach, this is Gabriel Jackson. Hope everyone had a wonderful Passover. Welcome to BJC Mitzvah A, number 82, part 3. Mitzvah A keeps your soul on its way. Using the Sefer HaChinuch, not to render judgment based upon assumptions. And here we go. The underlying purpose of the mitzvah. The underlying purposes of the mitzvah is clear as we have stated previously. In capital cases, there is a requirement that both witnesses be joined as a set of witnesses, i.e. they cannot simply be two individuals who both testify to the same criminal act. Rather, their testimony must be joint testimony. When the witnesses are not seen as a set of witnesses, their testimony is considered edus miyuchedes, the testimony of isolated witnesses, and is inadmissible. The Chinuch cites 3 laws pertaining to the requirement in capital cases that the testimony to the guilt of the defendant derive from a joint set of witnesses. The laws of this mitzvah include, for example, that which the sages of blessed memory have said in Makos, that the testimonies of 2 independent witnesses do not combine to form valid joint testimony, even if they both testify that the defendant committed the same sinful act, until the 2 witnesses see the act simultaneously. Furthermore, the law is that 2 witnesses must see each other at the time of the action as well. To the exclusion of a case where one witness sees the perpetrator from one window as he commits the crime, while at the very same moment the other witness sees him from a different window. But the 2 witnesses cannot see each other, but the law is that the one who warns the perpetrator can join the 2 isolated witnesses together so that they form a set of witnesses, if he sees both witnesses. Interesting stuff. These and additional details of this mitzvah are discussed in Tractate Sanhedrin. This mitzvah applies in Eretz Yisrael, the land of Israel. It applies to men, as we have stated in Mitzvah 77, for judging is their charge, as we've already stated several times, but it does not apply to women because they do not judge. One who violates this mitzvah and issues a ruling in a capital case based upon testimony that is not in precise accordance with the requirements of the law, such as the cases that we mentioned above, has transgressed a commandment of the king, Hashem, God himself, and his punishment will be exceedingly great because he causes the unlawful execution of people. All right. I guess we'll do the home stretch tomorrow. It's late. Love you. To sponsor future Mitzvah 36-100 of the gold. And enjoy that chametz.